Making cappuccino. To avoid obtaining insufficiently frothed milk or with large bubbles, always clean the lid of the milk and the hot water nozzle. Remove the lid. Fill the milk container with a sufficient amount of milk, not exceeding the maximum of 0.5 litres. Remember that every notch on the side of the container corresponds to 100 millilitres of milk. For a more dense and homogeneous froth, use skimmed or partially skimmed milk at refrigerator temperature, about 5 degrees Celsius. Ensure the milk intake tube is correctly inserted in the appropriate seat envisioned at the bottom of the milk container lid. Place the lid on the milk container again. Remove the hot water spout from the nozzle. Attach by inserting the container to the nozzle. Set up the machine to make coffee. To prepare the cappuccino, place the cup for cappuccino under the coffee spout and arrange the milk spout. Vary the froth regulator depending on the amount of froth wanted and type of milk used. Then press Cappuccino button. After having delivered the frothed milk, the machine automatically prepares the coffee. To prepare the Latte Macchiato, set up the machine to make coffee. If using tall cups or glasses, reposition the cup holder. Place the cup for Latte Macchiato under the coffee spout and arrange the milk spout. Vary the froth regulator depending on the amount of froth wanted and type of milk used. Then press Latte Macchiato button. After having delivered the frothed milk, the machine automatically prepares the coffee. For a hotter cappuccino, it is advised to press the clean button to heat the ducts of the milk froth device. To prepare the cappuccino, or the Latte Macchiato, the appliance performs 2 deliveries. First the milk and subsequently the coffee. If wanting to interrupt the delivery in progress, press the previously pressed button. Once delivery is completed, if wanting to increase the amount of milk or coffee inside the cup, keep the button within a few seconds relative to the preparation in progress pressed. Do not leave the milk container out of the refrigerator for too long. The higher the milk temperature, 5 degrees Celsius is ideal, the poorer the quality of the froth.